Video editing should be fast, easy, and fun, especially for beginners. Have you experienced that? In this video, you'll learn how to easily edit videos for YouTube using a free online video editor, even if you're a beginner who has no experience. Here's a preview of my edited video. We're going to use the free online video editor called InVideo, which allows you to make professional videos in 5 minutes or less. I'll place a link to InVideo in the description below this video. The beauty of InVideo is that you don't have to download any software, and you get over 4,000 templates that you can customize. You also get access to a stock video and image library of over 10 million assets from such premium sources such as iStock and Shutterstock. If you get stuck in any part of the video editing process, you have access to live chat support 24/7. Wow, that's really handy. I'll discuss more of the benefits later, but let me show you how to edit your video. Let's go. Step 1, select the type of video that you wish to create. You can select from these thousands of pre-made templates, do text to video, or start with a blank canvas. The fastest and easiest way to create your video is just to select a pre-made template. You can select from the categories up here. You got popular or browse by topic. Or you can select this search box. So because my video clips were a bike ride, I'm just going to put bike. I've got bike ride. Then I can just hover over any of these templates and it'll give you a drop down here. And then you can just preview the template. I can also start with a single scene. This looks interesting, the extreme mountain bike. So I choose that one, pick a dimension. I'm going to choose wide because I have a YouTube video. I can select vertical for Instagram or square for Facebook. Click use this video, and here you can see the canvas, and I've got my scene here. On the left here I've got uploads where I can upload all my video clips. So I've got stock videos I can add. I've got stock images that I can add to the canvas. I've got music, so I've got all these different music clips that I can replace my current music with. You also have the option to add a voiceover by clicking on the voiceover tab. I can also add text, so I've got all these different text styles, logo, and if I click the drop down, I can also add stickers, overlays, add shapes, masks, collage, and social. So I'm going to import all my clips. So just go to click uploads. Here's a previous slideshow I did. So I'm going to go to folders. Here's all the clips I just added from my computer. If I want to add another clip, I just click on upload. Here's the folder with my Anacostia River Trail bike ride. Click on that. And then I can just select from any of these clips. I just want to get rid of the logo because I don't have a logo. Hover over the logo, click the X. Then I'm going to replace this scene with my own scene. So just grab this first scene here, Anacostia Park, and just drag and drop it onto the clip here. So I'm going to replace it and click replace. Okay, I've replaced it. Now I'm going to trim the video because I don't want the whole thing. So I'm just drag the handles here, and then I'm going to play probably about maybe 10 seconds of it. Move the handle here. I'm going to preview the videos. Just click preview. Also got playback speed here. I'm just going to click done. Now I'm just going to add text. I'm going to highlight the text. And over here on the right, I've got text, text colors, drop shadow, animation, text box animation, etc. So I can bold it, italicize it, underline it, and align it, or choose a different font. I can also drag the handles. So I'm going to click text. In the box, I'm going to put Anacostia River Trail, and I'll change that to white. So I go to the colors, click text color, and I got the white. So I can play my video clip here, play scene from the start. I can also reduce the timelines. I can go like 25%. Then I can add the next scene. So I can choose blank scene or from the template. So I'm just going to choose a blank scene. And it says scene you selected will be added after your currently selected scene. Like to proceed, click yes. So I'm going to drop the next scene on here, which is going to be the blossoms. Keep in mind you can also add stock videos or stock images from the millions of assets in the media library. And if I play it, I wanted to remove the sound, so just click on the sound icon here. That'll remove the sound. I just want to use like 10 seconds of it, so I'm going to play it and just move the slider to 10 seconds. Then I can preview it if I want. Click done. So now I can play the scene from the start. I've got this text on here, so I want to remove that, so just click on there, hit delete, and also the logo, click the X. So if I want to play from the start, move the scrubber to all the way to the left, then play all. Then it's got a transition here, so I can just hover over this, click icon to edit. So I've got slide left, fade, zoom, wipe left, flip and right, etc. So in this case, I'll do a fade. If I play it. Audio volume, I'll turn it all the way down. Background music, turn it up to 100%. And play it from the beginning. I want to shrink this first clip. So I'm just going to move the handle down here. Play it. Now you've just got to repeat the process to add the other scenes. So I'm going to speed this part up. If you ever get stuck in the video editing process and don't know what to do, just click the chat icon, select your category, and click Start the Chat. You'll get your question answered within 1 minute. What if you want to change the music? Click on Music, select your mood. I'm going to select Happy and Fast Catch. Here it is. Click the 3 dots, click Replace Music. This will replace all background music in the project. Continue. Yes. Now the selected music was added to the video. When you're happy with the edited video, just click Download and Share. You can select 1080p or 720p and click Export. It says, congratulations, you have unlocked the watermark-free videos. Now just edit your video and export it again to get it in full HD without any watermark. Now just got to wait for the video to finish rendering. You'll also receive an email like this that your video is ready. Hi Drost, here you go, your video is ready. Congratulations on creating a good video. Make the best of your video by sharing it as much as you can. I just click download now and I have the video that I can upload to YouTube. If you're just getting started, sign up for the free account, which gives you thousands of templates you can customize, as well as a stock and image media library. If you want to get access to premium video and image sources like iStock and Shutterstock, then upgrade to the business plan. Just click the link in the description to sign up for a free account, or use the promo code DROST25 to sign up for a business account and get 25% off. You can also join the InVideo community of over 20,000 marketers and creators to get feedback for your videos. I'll put the link to the community in the description. What if you want to convert text to video? No worries, just watch the video on the screen right now on how to convert text to video online in 3 easy steps.